So friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing how to fix Roblox send button not showing problem in your Roblox chat, or which keyboard is best for Roblox mobile chatting. So watch this video till end and do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, firstly you have to open mobile settings. Okay, so after opening the mobile settings of your phone, now find out the apps option in this list and click on this apps option and press the manage apps button. After clicking on it, the installed apps list will be appears on your screen. So guys, you have to search for Roblox here. After searching for Roblox, the Roblox will be shown, and click on the Roblox and press the storage button here. After clicking on the storage button, you have only clear the cache. Okay, for clearing the cache we have to press this button and clear cache button will be appears. So press on clear cache button and OK. Now the Roblox cache will be cleared. Now going on your phone's home screen, the second step is open your Play Store in your phone. After opening the Play Store, you have to click on the search button here. After clicking on the search button, you have to search here for Roblox. After searching for Roblox here, if your Roblox shows an update, so guys, you have to update your Roblox from your Play Store. And after updating your Roblox, which keyboard is best for the Roblox chatting? The keyboard is G keyboard. Yes guys, you have to search for G board here. This is the Google keyboard, so you have to install this Gboard app. I already installed the Gboard app, so it shows me an update. So just click on the update button and the update Gboard. After the updating will be done, so you have to go to your phone's home screen. Now we complete all the steps. Go to your Roblox or chat, and this is the bonus tip for you. You have to write your chat and press and hold the enter button, and the send button will be appears on your screen. I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.